behalf of our Pastor Henry Nidigua, we welcome you in our 18th church anniversary here at Metropolitan Bible Baptist Church.
So from the time I started as a young person in 2015 until now, I can truly say that God has been faithful.
Walang higit na makakapagbigay sa iyo ng kaunawaan kung saan ka tutulong pag ikaw ay namatay, kung ano ang iyong bukas, kung ano ang iyong halaga, ay walang iba ang Diyos. Closer, deeper to our great high